Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this type of error. Too many attempts, try again later. If you have given your email here and here you have put your password and showing this type of error, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So firstly guys, what you need to do is just simply close this page, and after that what you need to do is just simply update your TikTok first. And after updating your TikTok, check whether it's fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, then what you need to do is just simply remove your TikTok from your device, and then you have to restart your device, and then you have to reinstall your TikTok, and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if a parcel is there, then what you need to do is just simply go to any browser. So here you have to write TikTok feedback. Now from here just simply select here www.tiktok.com, and now what you need to do is just simply here you have to put your email address. So you have to put your active email address here. Okay guys, here you have to put your email address, and here you have to put your username of TikTok, and here you have to select the topic. So from here you have to select third one, report a bug feature request. Now here you have to write about your problem. So now I'm going to copy it from my friend's WhatsApp, because I have sent him to resolve his problem. Here you have to write this one. So I have already given in the description as well, so you can copy from there. And here is showing attachment, so you have to uh, put your screenshot here. So firstly you have to take screenshot of your problem. So here you have to tap on this one, upload, and it will redirect to your gallery. And after that you have to select that screenshot, and after that what you need to do is just simply check on both of these. And after that what you need to do is just simply tap on submit, and your request will be submitted, and they will contact with you on your email address which you have given in this form. Okay guys, and after that hopefully they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.